Hey, what's going on, guys? Toxic Turtle here, and today we're back on Askiy Ridge to do part 2 of our mule deer hunt. If you guys like and enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's go hunting. So, last video we did was we did another mule deer hunt, hence the name why this video is called part 2. Well, it's not necessarily called part 2. It's the second part to the first video that we did, mule deer hunt that we did. But anyways, in the first video we did, we saw a mule deer. We just couldn't get a shot on them because they were moving too fast. But instead, we got the 8th mythical black bear, which I'm really excited about. But we're back on Askiy Ridge. This spot right here on the map says that this spot on the map has mule deers like to drink from. So I already have a couple of I already have my camping set up there with a feeder right there. So I'm gonna go down there. Change the time. I'm wondering if you can see camp from right here. Oh, I'm not even in my loadout. Give me a second. Alright, now I got my stuff out. So I want to see if we can actually see the camp from all the way down there. No. Trees are blocking it. Damn trees. Okay. So, I'm going to pause the video here. I know we already paused it. Oh. Well, here they come. But that's not the one we want. I'm going to pause the video right here and get camping set up. Be right back in a minute. Alright, we have successfully... I am back. We have successfully made our... What's that up there? Those trees? Oh, yeah, those are bushes. We've changed the time, and we made it to our camp out. So, the time is 3 o'clock to 6 on this map. Same as, Silver Ridge Peaks. But, this is where the mule deer like to come to drink. So, yes, I'm going to spray some mule deer scents on. And let's call in the bait. I mean, let's call in the deer. And that's a black bear. We do not want a black bear. We already got a black bear. We want a mule deer. It's mule deer hunting season. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video right here and wait for some mule deers to show up. Alright, we haven't spotted any mule deer yet. We have only spot black bears. One of them being is another 8 mythical like we had last episode. But we're not getting that one today. We are not. You know, I really said that last video and then we shot it. Damn it, hasn't even hit 3 o'clock yet. I'm wondering if I'm in the right spot. I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to be trying a different approach. Well, we're going to be up here in the tree stand. My doc is going to be down there looking for some mule deer. And once he spot it, and once he has tracked one, then we will go after it. Holy cow! Is it just me, or am I seeing a herd of female elk? Maybe the dog can't fight it because I'm busy up here in the tree stand and he's down there looking for the mule deer. Oh, that sound is so majestic. Alright, well, I'm going to be sitting up here waiting for the mule deer. Sitting up here waiting for the mule deer. And my dog is going to try to find it. I will be right back. We found a mule deer resting spot. Well, my dog found a mule deer resting spot. Is it just the one? Oh. Was it really just the one? Come on, let's go find another one. Alright. We have not spotted a single... Not even a single mule deer yet. We only spotted a female. I don't want to end this hunt off with nothing, though. this mule deer is... These mule deers are really freaking hard to freaking hunt. I've been at this for like an hour or so. Alright, I'll pause the video right here so I can get back to getting back to doing the hunt. Alright, so we're trying a different method right now. So instead of going over to that location over there, we're coming over here to this location. Because I have noticed that the mule deer also like to come down here from this mountain. So that's exactly what we're doing. Oh, those are whitetails. We don't want whitetails, we want mule. Alright. I'm going to pause the video right here until we get a mule deer. Guys, we have mule deers. There's 2 below me right now. Oh, there's 3. Get ready, the boys should be popping out any minute. Oh, just give me 1 second. I just need to make sure. Yep. He's right in there. Here he comes. Nope, that's a 4th female. Come on, where's the boy? Alright, I'm gonna pause the video right here until we see that male pop out. Alright. I think the buck went on with the male herd. So that doe is the only one left. And I can't see her anymore. Okay. Well, I'm gonna take another look around, see if we can find any any males. If not, then we're just gonna shoot this doe. You know, I really don't want to. No. Alright. Sorry, babe. Sorry, baby's mom. Man, this sucks. What's this resting zone? Oh, dusky grouse. Okay. Well, I'm gonna pause the video right here so I can do my outro. See you guys in a bit. Well, that concludes this video. Sorry we didn't get a buck. I would love to have a buck. Maybe one day I'll do, and maybe one day I'll come back here and I'll do another hunt. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!